Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play the Seashell Search minigame in the Dress and Price game of Roblox Summer Update 2026. Okay, first you're going to teleport to the free play mode, and then you're going to go outside the building, and you'll see this beach, and then you're going to talk to this girl to start the game. You can click on this E button. And then you're going to find 15 seashells. And for the area, just explore this area, guys, and you'll find the seashell. Okay, this is how the seashells looks like. Just collect them until you find 15 seashells. Okay, it's spreaded on the beach, so just explore the beach and you'll find all 15 seashells. And after you collect them all, you will get flowers as your rewards. And you can purchase the you can use the flowers to purchase something from this update. Okay, this is very easy, guys. Just explore this area and you will be able to complete the game. Okay, this one, I need to find 5 more right here. Okay, this is the last seashell. I'm gonna collect it, and I got 120 flowers. And if you want to play it again, you need to come back in 24 hours. Yay. Okay guys, and that's how you can play the Seashell Search minigame and the Dress and Price game of Roblox Summer Update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!